How to remove Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on manage accounts. Then go down and tap on your Samsung account. After that, we go down and tap on remove account. Then tap on removed. Here it asks you to sign out, so tap on the sign out button. If it says something is wrong, go down the list here and check everything. Make sure nothing is blocking the logout process. Then tap on sign out again. After that, put in your account password and tap on OK. Okay, so I have put in the password, then tap on OK. And that's it. We have now successfully signed out. Thank you for watching this video.